Imagine saying "Hey Google" and your phone responds, without you touching it. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn that on in under a minute. First, make sure you're signed into a Google account and your phone is connected to the internet over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Check that Google Assistant is installed and updated from the Google Play Store. Now, open the Google app on your phone. That's the white icon with the colorful G. In the Google app, tap your profile picture in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, choose Settings, then tap Google Assistant. In the Assistant settings, find and tap Hey Google and Voice Match or Voice Activation, depending on your device. Turn on Hey Google so your phone listens for your voice even when the screen is off or locked, if supported. If asked, follow the prompts to say a few phrases so your phone can learn your voice for better accuracy. Next, check the option that allows Hey Google to work from any screen or when the device is locked, if you want full hands-free control. Now test it. Place your phone down, say "Hey Google, what's the weather?" and look for the assistant panel to appear. If it works, you're done. You've activated Google Assistant without touching your phone, ready for true hands-free control.